Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. I live in Seoul, South Korea. Today's topic is Kang Ha-neul's fortune analysis. I always thought he was a great actor, but in the Black Yak commercial, Kang Ha-neul came into my heart. Today, I will analyze Kang Ha-neul's fortune. He is an actor who is not sure whether he has toughness hidden in a fine line or a fine line hidden in a strong line. I think Black Yak ads appeal to Kang Ha-neul as much as the advertising effect. The letter referring to himself of Kang Ha-neul is a negative fire, although it seems thoughtful and passive. He hides his intense passion in his heart. It is often compared to candles. It's a thoughtful look that blinks all night and is lost in thought. The two letters in the picture give Kang Ha-neul a powerful and rough look. However, since he is an actor, rather than being in such a situation, he often plays such a role and fits well with it. Kang Ha-neul's fortune is very mysterious. The first circle is the letter that points to himself, and the letter that supports it firmly. Confidence, independence, and self-esteem are great. Also, being strong in one's own power means being good at physical intelligence. Athletes and mothers also have the upper hand in various activities using the body. The second circle is a letter for an artist, and it's a letter that can be condescended, but it's very useful because there's a letter right below that controls it. He can show off his artistic performance. Language intelligence is very high. It has power because it is very well versed and based on many thoughts. Irene also has a high level of verbal intelligence due to the development of these characters. However, she makes mistakes with words because there are no letters that control this letter. The next third circle is the letter for his money. It also applies to spatial intelligence and also to numerical strength and financial. But the letters that control this one are right below. Therefore, the aforementioned capabilities have become a very useful structure. Nice fortune. Kang Ha-neul had no letters that controls him, so he wanted to live as he wanted and lacked the direction of life. But it was a very good structure because it was composed of letters that controlled each other. And what's better is that the letters at the top are used a lot in sociality, in outward social activities. And they are composed of co-prosperity. It's a very good structure. It's a good structure that someone helps him even if he stays still. Let's take a look at each letter of fortune. The letter next to the letter referring to himself represents artistry and refers to language ability and financial know-how. The next letter also means the same meticulousness and the mathematical ability as a mathematician. Also, this letter corresponds to Kang Ha-neul's wife. When Kang Ha-neul gets married, he will very nice to her, and she will very smart. If the win-win relationship continues to 2 stages, it means that he can set up his own business. Kang Ha is a fortune that works well in business, and because his energy is being released smoothly, he does not have much stress, and the result of his activities being converted into money is a good fortune. If so, he should have his own energy for good energy producing fortune. But do you think Kang Ha has the energy to support and help him? There is a fire energy just below the letter referring to Kang Ha. This is the same fire energy as him. They take care of anything like the commandos. Next is a very powerful tree energy. It's the same energy as an educator and at the same time like a mother. It's the energy that's holding him firmly. Kang Ha makes good use of what he has learned, but the structure is also very good for acquiring knowledge. The last letter is the same as him. 3 letters at the bottom support and help Kang Ha. Therefore, he can do whatever he wants to do. I've grouped what we've seen earlier into half circles. The 3 letters are supporting him with confidence, and supported by Kang Ha himself is showing off his skills to the fullest. I think he chooses the actor because there is a word that means artistry right next to the letter that points to him. But this free-spirited soul is controlled by the letter right below it, and freedom is well managed. The letters right next to them are the words that build up the results of their activities, and they are controlled by the letters below, and they are collecting very useful results. The energy that controls fire is water. It's a fortune that does not have any water in it, so it does not have any management or honor in it. But other letters are well managed, so it's operated as if it's watery. And this applies to honor and a chance to win a prize, and I think there will be a chance to win a prize because the results of his activities are accumulating gradually. However, a chance to win a prize may not be as common as it is not strong fortune. Therefore, to compensate for this, it would be good to have black accessories or to have ornaments such as a water wheel or a small fountain in the house to replenish the water. The powerful energy in fortune is the energy of the fire and tree, but it is all the energy that supports himself. Therefore, the job role has a strong business nature. His artistic activities are all stacked up with good results. Nice fortune. It's a different image from the picture of Kang Ha-neul's fine line. However, as we've seen before, it fits well with the rough rolls. Today, I analyzed the fortune of Kang Ha-neul with a mysterious structure. It's a nice fortune. Subscribe, thumbs up please. I'm Ligo. Thank you very much. Bye.